My name is Adrian Lifely. I've worked as a commercial disputes lawyer in London for the past 30 years. I'm also an accredited mediator. In this video, I will discuss the Civil Justice Council's ADR Working Group Final Report, which we can just call the CJC report. This was published in December 18. As you may know, ADR stands for Alternative Dispute Resolution, and the most common form of ADR is mediation. The CJC report surveys existing uses of mediation in the civil justice system and considers proposals for reforming procedures relating to mediation. What work has been done to arrive at the CJC final report? The CJC set up a working group which published an interim report in October 2017 that followed a period of consultation with various stakeholders to review the ways in which ADR is encouraged and positioned within the civil justice system. This led to the publication of the final report at the end of 2018. What were the key focuses of the CJC final report? The working group focused on three distinct but related challenges. First, the awareness of ADR, both in terms of the general public and the legal profession. Second, the availability of it in terms of funding, logistics, and the quality and regulation of professionals. And three, the encouragement of ADR by the government and the courts. What does the report recommend? It makes 24 recommendations aimed at addressing all of these challenges, including the following I have identified. 1, the establishment of a judicial ADR liaison committee to monitor and give advice on ADR, and a one-stop shop alternatives website which offers information to the public about all of the available alternatives to litigation. 2, support for the increased regulation of mediators. And thirdly, earlier and more stringent encouragement in relation to case management, with the presumption that ADR should be attempted at an appropriate stage, and more strictly penalising parties for unreasonably failing to try ADR. Now that you know why we have the CJC report, what it focuses on and some of its key recommendations, I invite you to view the next 2-minute video in this series called ADR Reform Part 2, Should Mediation Be Made Compulsory?, which looks more closely at the recommendations on the encouragement of ADR. As always, please take legal advice about your specific situation before you take any decisions.